Okay, another question. Hola. Hello sir, ano pong sa tingin nyo sa economics ang mga topics na related sa current issues po? Siyempre, unang-una sa pagtaas ng ating gasolina, di ba? So one of the issues now, no? Increase in gas and oil, yan, particularly, of course, inflation po yun, no? Inflation, cost of living crisis, no? Yan also, no, part of our issues now, no, in the current issues now in the Philippines, no. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas, in the world pa, no. Number two, siguro about the monetary policy, no. So very important that in the monetary policy, no, so we need to know the role of BSP, the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, no. Since sila yung primary or secondary or objectives, no, of the monetary policy, no, price stability, di ba? Kasi yan yung role ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, no, and the global central bank, no, in balancing the growth versus our inflation, no. Ano pa? Siguro yung mga gross domestic product, no, our economic growth, and also about recession risk, no. So hopefully, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, the global issues in terms of sa pagtaas ng ating gas and oil. So hopefully, matapos na yan, no? Because of war, no? Yan. And also number 4, siguro about unemployment, no? Or any other market changes. And because sa pagtaas ng ating mga bilihin, no? Of course, there would be effect in our unemployment, no. Global trade and supply, no. Yun nga about the gas and oil na nangyayari sa atin. Syempre hindi mawawala diyan yung foreign exchange, 'di ba? Piso to dollar now is 59 or 58 or 59. Nangyayari pa yung pagtaas ng ating gas and oil, sigurado tataas pa, no. Ang 1 peso to dollar, no. Yan naman yung role ng ating government ngayon, no, for the fiscal policy, and of course sa pag ng batas to. I think kahapon pa lang, no, na-approve na tanggalin muna ang excise tax sa gas and oil para at least bumaba ang ating presyo ng langis, no. So isa yan, no, yun yung mga energy crisis, sustainable economics, yun yung pinaka-importante sa lahat, no. The role of technology, the role of AI,